How to redeem Best Buy gift card online. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Without further ado, let's begin. First of all, launch any web browser on your device, suppose Google Chrome, Safari, etc. And now, open a new tab and then search for bestbuy.com. So let's type in bestbuy.com and press enter on your keyboard. Now you simply need to sign into your Best Buy account. Now you can easily look for any product on Best Buy and add in cart. Now you need to select the cart icon at top right corner once you are ready. And then tap on the checkout button at bottom of your screen. Now you need to select the pickup or shipping options. Now enter the pickup person, the first name, last name, phone number, email, and then click on apply button. After that, you simply need to enter the payment details as well, and you can apply your Best Buy gift card as well by tapping on add a gift receipt, and then a pop-up will appear allowing you to enter your gift card number and pin if applicable, and tap apply. You can complete your purchase. Depending upon your gift card value, the amount will be deducted from your total and you can complete your purchase. And that's it, your Best Buy gift card has been redeemed for your online purchase. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.